In this video, I will show you how to save your repo game. So even if you die, you can restore it and keep on playing in the same level you died in. But you have to do this before you die. So first, open the local disk C and then go to users. Then click on your username. In my case, its name is Dell. Then click on App Data. This folder is hidden. You have to show it, and you can see the tutorial here to show hidden folders. So open it and then click on local low and go to semi work and open repo, then open saves, and here you can see your game files. You have to copy it and paste it somewhere else, for example here. And then when you die, all you have to do is copy this file and paste it here. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.